Hey everyone, I did a video this weekend using cast iron and showing how you can grill meat to sear it first so that you can do a 4-hour long cooking short rib. And this is what I used. I added oil to fry the meat, and then I went ahead and added some bone stock that I made and red wine. And I want to show you my scrubby because this is the water, and that's what the water looks like after I cleaned it all out. I rinsed it first with all the food out, and now it's basically water. So I used my scrubby and I added cold water, and you can see how the back of this scrubby is holding all the fat and food buildup that was on that platter. And look at the green fiber, how much lighter it is than a fiber like this one here that does not have any grease on it. See the difference between the two? So this one is soaked with grease, and this one is one that I did not use yet. But you can even see a couple spots on here where there could be some grease. So this is a great way to know if your fiber is trapping oil or not. And if you see that, then that means this needs to be rinsed out with hot water and use orange blossom soap. So look at that. Do a test, check out the difference in the color, and wash out with orange blossom soap to get that clean again.